start a new series on an NPTEL subject, that is programming in Java. So in this series, we are going to deal with the assignments and we are going to provide a detailed explanation for every question that is asked in assignment. So further any delay, let us start with our first assignment, that is week 0 assignment. So for this assignment, you're not going to award any marks. The thing is, it's only to test your knowledge, a prior knowledge, or as I can simply say, it's a basic knowledge. So let us go with the first question. So let me go with that. In C or C++, if you pass an array as an argument to a function, what actually get passed? So whenever you pass an array to any function, it is going to pass the base address. What is base address? The starting address of an array. So the option would be what? The option is C. So let me go with the option C. What is the next question? What does the following declaration mean? So he's asking, what is the meaning of this? Simply, you can look at this. Now what it is, it's a pointer variable, which is pointing to a array of 20 integers. How can say it is integers? This one. So among this, which is the correct one? Pointer is an array. So PTR is an array of point. No, PTR is a pointer variable, which is pointing to the array of 20. So that is what PTR is, a pointer to an array of 20 integers. So here the correct option is B. So let us go with the option B here. Next, let me go with the next question. Third question. What will be the output of the program if the array begins at 2200 in a memory? So he's saying that what would be the output if your array is starting at a 2200 index? I can simply say the base address is given. So let us go with the question now. Int main, and he created an array. Okay, let me say that he has created an array. And what is the array he's holding? So 12, 13, 14, 1, and 6. So there's 0 index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index. And what is the base address of your array? 2200. Now look at this carefully. What is asking here? So he's trying to print ARR. So what ARR will hold? That is, your array will hold the base address. Just now we told that in the first one. So it prints a base address. If you ask the address of array of first element, yes, the first element, I can simply say it is also base address because it is starting value or starting position. And even here you're asking the address of ARR, still it is going to print the same answer, that is 2200. So in all cases, it is going to print the base addresses. Okay, because now you can see, and thus what is the base address? So 2300, no, not at all, because even if you deal with anything, so it is eliminated. 2200 for the first one, yes. 2200 for the second one, yes, because it's printing the address of first element, and 2200 of an array base address. So the answer is B. And 2300, 2400, 500, these never coming to picture. And 2200, 2200, but 2300, no, it's not at all. So the answer is B. So let us go with the answer option B. Yeah, let us go with the next question. What will be the output of the following program? So here you can see an array is created. So what is the array created? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So array of 5 elements. And what are the index positions of it? So index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Index positions I have written for the next step. Next, you can see they have written under comments, so we are not considering this. Now let us go with the next one. So what is the next one? They created I, J, and M. So 3 variables have been created. Now what is the next step? A of 1 is pre-incremented, sorry. So what is A of 1 value? So A of 1 indexes value is having is 2. So the value 2 is increased, pre-increased, means what? Pre-increment. So that A of 1 is increased to plus 1, that is, it is going to convert it into 3. So that 3 value I'm going to assign to what? I. So what is I value right now? I value is 3, and how your array has been updated. That is important for me now. So how your array has updated. So A of 1 value has been increased by 1. So updated array is 1, 3, 3, 4, and 5. So remember this. So this is what happened in the first line. So A of 1 value has been updated by 1, and then that value, whatever the A of 1 value that is updated, that is assigned to 3. So step 1 is done perfectly. Now let us go with the next one. J is equal to A of 1 plus plus. So remember, your plus plus is a post increment. So first assignment operator will be done. So A of 1 value is assigned to J. What is A of 1 right now? 3. So J is assigned with 3. Then what we are doing? We are increasing A of 1 value. Okay. So A of 1 value will be updated by plus 1. Finally, now what is the array that has been updated? So it is 1, comma, 4, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5. So this value has been updated, right? So that is what happened in this line. So now let us go with the next line. That is M is equal to A of I plus plus. So you're increasing I, not A of I. So remember this. So A of I plus plus, but here it's a post increment. So first what happens? First A of I will be considered. So what is I? I is 3 right now. So A of 3, what is A of 3? So A of 3 value is 4, because 0th index, first index, second index, third index. Or you can see, you can consider this is the final one. So you can consider this. So 4. So M is assigned to 4. After that, what we are doing? I plus plus. So what is I plus plus now? I is 3 right now. So it is updated to 4. So finally, I is equal to 4, J is equal to 3, M is equal to 4. Therefore, my answer would be what? So my answer is 434. That is option A. Clear? So now let us go with the next question. Now, here you should know the importance of it. Now, what do we call this one as? This symbol, we call it as macro concatenation. So you know what is concatenation, right? So appending. So concatenation. So it is going to concatenate or append two numbers, whatever you. So what it is going to append? So it is going to append I and J. So whatever the I and J you're going to pass, they are going to be appended each other. Clear? So this is what a preprocessor which is going to be done before your program execution. Okay. So right now, what this function is going to do, whatever the I and J you're going to pass, they are going to be appended each other. Clear? So now let us go with the program. We have understood this macro concatenation. So let us go with this. So first he said V1 is equal to 10. So V1 is assigned with 10. V2 is assigned with 20. Now he's calling a function. Which function? Your preprocessor, that is fun function. Okay, right? So what you're going to pass here? So you passed V and you passed 1. So V and 1 are considered here. What you are going to do in this function? You are going to append. So both, when you append them is what? What happens? It will become V1. So finally, what you pass here? You said function of V1. So fun of V1. So V1 is what? 10. So it is going to return the value 10. Clear? So the answer here is 10. I want to print V2, then you need to pass V comma 2. But if I pass V comma 3, you'll get error because there is no V3 variable. So remember here, it is going to become what? V1. So V1 value is what? 10. So it is going to print 10. Now let us go with the next question. What will be the output of the following program? So this is also a preprocessor function, or let us go with that. So min, so what he's doing here, he has defined a function called min, which is having two parameters, x comma y. Now what he is doing here? So here it is going with an operation called if x is less than y. So you know it is a ternary operator, right? So if x is less than y, he's going to return x. If it is false, then he's going to return y. So this is what I can simply say a ternary operator used here. So let us go with this now. So what is X value? So X value he has assigned 13 and Y value he has assigned 14. Now what is Z? I don't know right now. So what is the next thing? He's trying to assign some value to Z with the help of this function. Let us go with the function min of X plus Y by 2. So what is the first parameter is passing here? X plus Y by 2. What is X? 13. Okay. What is Y? 14 by 2. So there is, so you can see plus and division. So first operation will be performed on division. So 14 by 2 is what? 7. 13 plus 7 is total is what? It's 20. So what value is assigned for X here in this min? Not I'm talking about X, I'm talking about the first parameter of min. So the 20 is assigned here. Clear? Next, Y minus 4. What is Y? 14. So 14 minus 4 is what? 10. So it has passed 20 and 10 to the function, right? So we are checking, is 20 less than 10? No, it is false. So what it is going to generate? It is going to generate Y. It is going to generate Y. It's not this Y. It is the second parameter of min. So what is Y? 10. So it is going to return what? It is going to return 10 here. And finally, you're checking if Z is greater than 0, simply print Z. Yes, 10 is assigned to Z. Yes, Z is greater than 0. So the answer is what? 10. So our option would be A, right? So let us go with the next question. Which of the following program language does not support encapsulation? So simply we can say all object-oriented programming language supports encapsulation. So let us go with this. Now what is C? C is not an object-oriented, it is a procedure-oriented. So remember this. C++, as it is object-oriented. Java, object-oriented. Python, object-oriented. So C is procedure-oriented, which will not support encapsulation. So finally, my answer would be what? A. So let us go with the next question. Which of the following keywords is used to define abstract data type in object-oriented programming languages? Okay, so simply we can say, blindly we can say here, class is the abstract data type, right? So here class. Okay, let us go discuss int char also. Int char and table, they are the data types. They're not abstracted, they're the data types, primitive data types, clear? So now let us go with the next question. What is size of in C? So we have learned size of under operators, right? So it's a special operator. So under special operators, you have comma operator, a lot of operators with size of. So size of is an operator in C language. Text, it's not a function, it's not a macro, it marks data type. Clear? Right. What is the next one? If you declare a static variable in C programming, then the default value of the variable is always of a static variable, the default value is 0. So the answer is 0. Clear? So let us check our answers, whether the answers are correct or not. So let me check and submit it. You can see how many marks I'm getting here. I got 10 out of 10. That's what all answers are correct. So for NPTEL Java programming, that is programming in Java assignment answers, you can go through our channel, and our channel is simply you just type LazyPtech. So lazybtech.com. So here you can find the NPTEL courses answers. So you can see your about us courses. Here you just go with the NPTEL because we are dealing with the LPTEL here. So click on the NPTEL and you can see the courses here, programming in Java and database management system. So you can choose anything. So I'm just clicking on the programming in Java and you can find the course details here, and you can see the week 0 assignment, week 1 assignment, and week 2 assignment. For further explanation, please subscribe to my channel and also go through my website LazyPtech for further assignment answers. Thank you.